Welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you steps on how to add administrator to your Facebook page. So if you have a Facebook page and you want to add admins to this page, ensure you watch this video to the end. Let's begin. The first step is to open the Facebook app and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on the horizontal line at the top right corner to access the menu. In the menu, select the check mark at the top in front of your profile. Then your Facebook pages will appear. Click on the page you want to add admins to. It will take a while to switch page. Then on this page, click on the menu bar. In the menu, click on Professional Dashboard. Then under Tools, click on Page Access to access your page. Now you'll be provided with several options. If you click on Add New in front of people with Facebook access, it means that the admin you are adding will have full access to your Facebook page. However, if you click on Add New in front of people with tax access, it means you are assigning this person with specific tags, either ads, content, or community. So example, I'll click on Add New in front of people with Facebook access. Then I'll click on Next. Then I'll enter the person's name as used on Facebook. You can allow this person to have full control and click on Give Access. Once you do this, you have to enter your Facebook password to ensure you are taking this action. Then an email will be sent to the admin, and take note that the admin has the same role as you, the group owner, so ensure you choose this role carefully. Once the admin accepts this request, the person has become the admin of your page. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.